Introducing the 2020 Nissan Armada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.